Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making another easy hairstyle. You know I'm all about the easy hairstyles, right? If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And also leave a comment and hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up. All right, so we'll be pulling all the hair back. Earlier on in the week, I made a post, just a very short video saying that I'll be posting the full video on how I achieved the look. Here is the full look today. I don't like to walk on dry hair, dampen your hair every time, and then we'll pat it to one side. All right, we made a pat the other time. Now this is another part. This is because we don't want all the hair, to fall to one side. Just stay with me. You will get why we are doing several pattings. Always brush through your hair, all right? Because if it's, clogged up, you're not going to get the desired style. And we pack it to one side. The eco-friendly gel, every black girl's favorite, especially this green. I love the effect. All right, so you make a splash on it on your hair. Use your fingers. I like to use my fingers, and then I go in with my brush later. But for the first, usually with my fingers. Right, and now I come in with my brush, make sure everything is flattened out, smooth and easy. But hey, I also like to have that fussy texture staring, like I don't want everything to go out, right? So I just use my comb again, make sure that everything is nice and easy and sleeky, because that's the goal. Okay, and now you have to do it on both sides because you want all the hair to be, snatched, don't you? Okay, so take your time, do this. If you want more products, please go ahead and add. But for me, I am not a heavy products person. You already know if you are familiar with my channel. But if it's your first time, yes, I'd like to take a moment to tell you I'm not a heavy products person. I'm always about how you can achieve a lot with very little. Okay, so that hair that you packed earlier, time to, make it into one big plait. Yeah, just that because we will be, adding our extension to it later on. So now we're back to this front hair. We need to straighten it out a bit so that it will give us the desired end result. Now, please don't fetch your hair and just start stretching. Walk in sections. Walk in sections. Partition it, just fetch small, do what you need to do. And yes, don't forget your heat protectant. Protect your fussy hair, okay? The more heat you expose your hair to, the, more dead it becomes. So this protectant would work to, shield it. As the name implies, it just protects your hair. Okay. All right. As I said, walk in sections. That's the first. And then I go in with another. Oh, yeah, the comb gliding. That's very important. It's just like adding icing on the cake, right? Again, don't forget to walk in sections. If you don't walk in sections, you will definitely not get the desired results. All right. And for every part you make, please make sure that you add your heat protectant. If you don't protect your hair, what will you use next time? Right? So protect what you got. Okay, so we're going in again with that, and now we're done. So we just comb it all out. We'll be packing that to one side. So stay with me. And now my Gorilla Wax. Yeah, I just like to flatten it out with a comb before I go in with a brush again. Here we go with a brush. So it's just for it to be flat, smooth, and easy. Okay, and now my favorite type of brush. See this brush? I will always continue to use it. I love it a lot. All right, just more. Again, I'm not a very dramatic edges kind of person. So I just like to have it all snatched and going in. But if any of my, tutorials need me to have a dramatic edge, I will make it. But this doesn't. I don't think I'm in the mood for it. So I'll just go in, make it nice and easy. And yes, have a pin so that you can just snatch it all up. Whatever edges are, whatever hair strands are, flying around, just tuck them in, and then you tie the hair. Why do you tie it? So that everything will be flat and easy. So that's the extension I'll be using just to add a little flair to the hair. I want to start from the base. You can actually start from the tip all the way to the base, but I want to start from the base. This is because my extension is quite full and I don't want to waste a lot of time, right? Because I can do this as many times as I want. So that's just the trick about around it. You can always walk your way around it and, make sure that it's exactly what you want per time. Okay, so now I'm almost done with that. As I said, this hair is supposed to be very easy. So don't fret. If it's your first time here, again, do not forget to subscribe. I would like to have you come with me through the journey of my hair routines every now and again. All right, and then you can learn a thing or two. Okay, so now we have our hair all in a tie. Let's do something for the face now, shall we? I was looking very, I don't know. So let's just jazz the face up a bit. Again, it's going to be very light. So now I'm done. And there we have the full hair. Don't you like what you see? Right? Don't you like what you see? So that's about it, guys. Thank you for staying with me. If you watched this far, I'm sure you really did enjoy the video. So hit the like button. See you next time. Bye bye.